Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandy if you're new, and I was going to play around a little bit in this journal. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do, but I thought I'd turn the camera on. I have some of my washies. I got these from, I think it was Stationery Pal, so I really want to play around with these. And this particular journal, I am primarily going to do my writing in it. I'll probably still make some, handmade journals for some special occasions or certain topics and things like that. But I wanted to have something to where I could just, if I wanted to do some writing, I would have just all this space in here to do some writing. And I picked this up at TJ Maxx a long time ago. And this little dinosaur, this is from, I made this for my granddaughter's first birthday party, and I thought it matched, so I was going to put that in here. So anyway, I hope everyone is doing well. Thanks for joining me. I love how big this is, so I will not fill this up this year. I seriously doubt it, but I've decided I am just going to kind of start writing, and whatever I want to write about, I'm going to put it in here, and we'll kind of see how it goes this year. So this will be fun little series to kind of keep track of. And so I am going to try, now I probably can't do a whole lot, the papers aren't super thick, a whole lot of like paint or inking or anything like that, but I could definitely maybe do some on something separate and then attach it in here. So we'll just kind of see, but I primarily want to just do some writing, I think. But I am going to put some washi tape in here. And just play around with these washies. I bought them and I haven't used a ton of them. And I think I'm going to start with, I'm going to see how this pen works. I think that's a pretty good pen. So I'm going to just write, I think I'll start with 2023. I don't know how well this pen will write on this washi tape. Might have to try something different. And then maybe I will put something to hold this open. I wonder if not one stapler will do the trick. Ha! There we go. And then I'm going to do another one and put January on here. And I'm going to try mica pen, micron pen. Let's see how this writes on here. I'm a little disappointed. These don't show up better on the washi tape. That's all right. That's why we play around with this stuff, so that we can learn, right? And see what works and what doesn't work. I'm wondering, this might work better, the zig. I'll try that maybe next time. Okay, and so then I'm going to do some writing, but I thought I might do just a fun little collage while I have you all on the camera with me. So I want to think about what I want to put. I pulled out some of my journaling stamps. I might have a little bit of fun with that. And these are little cardstock boxes that I made to store my stamps. And I did a video on that, if you want to see that. not want to come off. And we get a little stamp block. So yeah, I've just been having a lot of fun playing around. It's crazy how when you get your craft room organized, how, at least for me, I'm ready to do different projects. I still have some organizing I need to do. So I'll probably get on that this week as well. So I just want to put this here. I love that I got the top shelf of my little cart cleaned off. It makes me feel a lot better too. One of the things I want to work on are my buttons and charms and things like that. They need a lot of work as well. Hopefully y'all can see okay. And I just want to write Happy New Year in here. So I'm not any one of those big fancy bullet journalers or anything like that. I think I'll probably add a paper clip. Oh, and I might make maybe a little bookmark or something. That might be fun. These things are really stuck down. Stamp over here. Not bad. That'll work. I actually did my stretches today. We have a rowing machine in the basement, and I did the rowing machine. So I'm very excited about that. I want to clean out the refrigerator, and I started on that today. Got rid of kind of all the food that is expired and whatnot, and I think I'll work on cleaning the shelves tomorrow. And I need to go to the grocery. I need to do some laundry. Nice. Alright, so I'm going to put stretched. And I rode. Add a little more washi tape. That's a cute little stamp. I don't know if I've ever used it before. I have these supplies. I might as well use them, right? A little bit of this washi tape. Oops. And I will do my journaling off camera. I grabbed a couple little paper clips. Go put on here. And this little tiny one, isn't that cute? Go. And then this was a leftover die cut that I had made. And I think I want it on this page. So if you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe. And if you're new to junk journaling, I have a whole series on beginning junk journaling. And you don't have to do anything fancy. I mean, what I'm doing here is super simple. So, and you can just use whatever you have on hand. And I have this little piece of scrap ribbon. I'm carrying on my lavender theme here. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that right there. So it won't be too bulky. I think that'll be okay. Give it a try anyway. That may not stick. Might have to try something else there. But if that doesn't work, that's okay. And then I have this flower. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. Peel it off here. I want to put it over here. Yeah, just put it right there. All right. There we go. I like that down there. Yeah, that's not going to stick. I have to get a little Fabri-Tac glue out, but that's all right. Okay, I think I'm going to call this done, and then I will do my journaling off camera. Might put a little bit of that underneath that paper clip. So thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Love y'all. Bye.